Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today guys, I'm going to show you how I'm organizing my small kitchen. And yeah, if you have been following the videos which I've been uploading, you'll understand what I'm saying. And if you are new here, kindly go and check out, because we bought our kitchen organizer, which didn't fit in the kitchen where I had put it. So I want to show you where it is right now, but it's not. I'm going to change that space again. Welcome. So on my previous video, the rack was here, the organizer didn't fit here. We wanted it on this side of the kitchen, and this dispenser was in the living room. That's how it looks like. So this is where I managed to put the rack, this layer, 5 layer. As you can see guys, this space, it did fit. You see, this is how I managed to arrange, so you can see. But the problem is, so it's not fitting. So you see this layer, it's empty, like I can't put anything there. This gas cylinder, and you know, it's not good looking actually. So yeah, that's why I'm still wanting to change from here. As you can see, this is a waste of space, you know. Yeah, and I don't like the way it's here with the gas cylinder. So I managed to put it for a while, to place it here on this corner. It looks good, yes. And the spheres, at first, you know guys, I was scared of the spheres. Like, this thing is strong guys. I was scared. These spheres are so heavy, and I was kind of scared like they will fall, they will make this rack fall. But not really. Actually, this is strong. It's a good deal if you buy it, or if you're planning to buy it. It will really help. So actually the spheres are not yet cleaned as well, but guys, so my hubby suggested we cut off here. You see here, this, and here. If it's flat, it will be able to toshea here. Itatoshea hapa. So I think that's what we are going to do. Okay, I'm sure I won't be here when we'll be doing that, but I will show you afterwards how we managed to place it here. Yeah, so what do you think guys? Because I feel here it's not, and the fact that this cooker is here, when I'm cooking, the steam is going on this thing, and the oil will be all over here. I feel like it's close to the cooker. Yeah, so guys, what do you think? But again, the kitchen looks amazing. Let me give you a small tour. So this is how it looks like.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
I'll show you afterwards how we managed to arrange. There's a way you can arrange a small kitchen and feel like it's so spacious. So I want to take you that journey with me.
One eternity later.
So guys, after a few days and while we were away for the weekend with Taraji, and then my hubby fixed, like on, I told you he would fix the rack, the kitchen organizer, that is foldable rack. It has so many names. So he did that. I'm so happy. When I got here, I was so happy because now I can organize my kitchen pots and with no stress. It is where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to show you as we organize our kitchen, our new kitchen with you guys. So yeah, let me take you along and let's do this. Remember, I don't know why this carton is here. I'm going to remove it's for the I don't know. I'm going to remove it from there. So as you remember, the fridge was facing this side and the rack was here. So he managed to do it better. So I haven't organized anything. Here was the dispenser, but now it's in the living room. And then we have our rack here. This is, so we are not going to put on the, it has some wheels, you know, here down here, but we can't put that because it won't fit anymore. So we had to cut this side here. As you can see, it's different from this side, and it is slid, and it's not affecting the cabinet, imagine. So I just need to push this. I'm not sure whether this will be here anymore. This dish rack, is it a dish rack, will be here anymore, because I need to push this rack on this side and put the dustbin here. The dustbin has to be in the house, in the kitchen, you know.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping
Guys,
into.
this is what we are going to work with. As you can see, I still have more space. I can put my electrical things here like this, the toaster and the blender. I can fix them here. You see, I have more space just here now. Amazing. So I just need to clean all these cooking pots, and then we wipe here and we organize our kitchen, our small kitchen. Guys, you can manage with small kitchens, imagine. This is good.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now.
Guys, every time I'm doing the cleaning, I have to knock myself, like here. I have to knock myself with something. This is the phone holder which knocked me. The phone was falling down when I was placing it to the stand, and I had to save my phone because this is my office. This is where I do this work. Without this phone, no videos. So it knocked me really hard because there's a bump. Yeah. Oh gosh, but what we say is when something like that happens in an African way, it means that something bigger was to happen, but it was prevented. You guys do believe in these myths. So yeah guys, so I'm done cleaning up. I'm just going to wait for the spots to dry a little, then I wipe them, then we organize them in our new organizer. I'm so excited about this. And to sew the end, I always like the endings, you know. So let's wait. The dispenser, I want to listen to these girls trying to speak. Huyu ni taraji. We are trying to teach them Swahili. Ati? I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to place this rack. I'm still figuring out how it should be. So let me know. This is how it looks so far. I like this look here. Going down. Guys, I'm just admiring that space. I know the phone, it looks so small in the phone, on the phone, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Let me give you a little tour. I'm loving my kitchen, by the way it's turning out. This is, guys, I always say one step at a time. There are things I admire online, but I pray for them, and then they come, and one day we'll have a bigger kitchen where we won't have these problems. But these are not problems because I can manage, so I'm good. I normally say let me enjoy what I have right now, and while I wait for the next blessing, you know. And that's why I think God, I know God provides just like that, because I normally wait on Him, and He has never disappointed, by the way. So let me return the other things, and yeah. Guys, so if I tell you I'm done arranging this kitchen, I will be lying, because I'm not yet done. And I'm still figuring where to put the other rack, the kitchen rack. I don't get rid of things because I feel like I'll need it. I'll still figure out where to place it. I have options, just that it won't fit all of it, but yeah. So this is it, guys. So I'm going to end this video here, but before this, let me show you the kitchen reveal, how it looks like. Let me give you a little tour, guys. And don't mind this is for the ring light, guys. So if you see this wire here, don't mind, it is giving kitchen. Our kitchen is a bit dark. So I normally use the lighting. As you can see it even on the curtains. So yeah, in case you see that, yes, let me give you a little tour of my kitchen. So guys, even standing here, you can see how it looks so expensive. It looks also, what? Stop standing in my space. Oh, this is your space. I'm showing people our kitchen tour, okay? Then I'll be out of your space. Mama, the corridor. Okay, as you can see, guys, my kitchen looks so authentic, huh? And expensive. The fact that rack has the same color as the pots. Is it this what? I actually forgot how it's called, guys. So let me show you. This is how my organizer looks like. Let me start from here. I have my older spheres, as you can see. So those spheres, I normally use them like this too when I have guests. They are like cooking pot and serving spot as well. Look, I can't even get rid of them because these were really expensive at the time, and they have served me for, let's say, 8 years now. Look, and I just added a few collection of it. So yeah, I normally have patience when I want to buy something, and I always want to buy the best, so I don't get back all the time buying spurious and all. Okay, so our dish rack, as I told you on my previous video, if you are new here, don't go buying those dish racks, the expensive ones. Trust me, and I'm going to get rid of this spurious. I've bought 3 dish racks, and they have, I had an over sink rack, I had another one, hey, and I just got tired of buying, so I had to end up with the plastic one. Look at it, guys, it's so good. I feel like I wasted a lot of money on that, buying those. They were peeling and rusting. Yeah, Mama, we were wasting money.
But you have to save money.
Yeah, baby.
No. No. Don't lose money. You want to buy kitchen for me if you lost money.
Oh yeah, Taraji wants her own kitchen on her birthday. So yeah, guys. So why is the fridge not on? Oh, it's on. So yeah, guys, so that's the kitchen for me. You have seen the cabinets, the utensils. I have organized the plates. How do you think, Mama?
Cool.
How do you think of my kitchen?
It's looking wow.
It's looking wow. Yes, I can't wait to cook with these pots. Actually, it has been 3 weeks since I bought them. 1 week without unboxing, and now I haven't cooked them. This one, you like this one?
Yeah, I like red, even white.
Yeah, the inside is white. It's so good. I would tell them to buy. They're actually lowering the price. If you want a price, you can ask me on the question on the comment section. I'll let you know how much I bought them. Yeah, I'll know. I'll show you guys. I'll tell you guys and where I bought them. So let me experience the cooking. On my next video, I might cook with them. Then I'll let you know how they are.
Was so late.
Yeah, guys, that's it for the kitchen, my small kitchen organization. I hope you have enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, before I finish this video, Taraji is holding the light. So before I finish the video, do you think like these curtains now make sense with the pots? Let me know. They look so, now the kitchen is matching, and I didn't think of that, but let me show you. You can see, guys, look, as you look at the pot, they are red, and then the curtains, so the kitchen looks so good, white and red. It looks so good. I didn't think of that, by the way, but now it makes sense with the red curtains. But hopefully one day, I didn't like these curtains, but now I'm liking them a little bit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
My next one.
Bye.
And leave a comment, guys, on how you think about it.
Share.
Yeah, even share. You heard from Taraji.